Hey guys, what's up? This is Divekant Haledi and you're watching DKT Tech, and today we're gonna unbox and take our first look at the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z earphones. So without any further delay, let's quickly get started. Now OnePlus is not new when it comes to wireless earphones, as this one is the third earphones from the company. And this time around they launched it at quite an aggressive price for Rs 1999. And as always, the best buy links to the earphones is given in the description below. So here the packaging is pretty minimalistic. These earphones this time comes with flat box pack, and over at the back side it has all specifications which I'll mention in detail in the description box. Inside the box bag you will get the main unit, a USB type A to type C charging cable, some additional silicone ear tips of small and large sizes, and finally a quick start manual guide. Now talking about the design and build quality of the earphones, they are exactly the same as the previous Bullet Wireless 2 earphones. Same build quality of the neckband, the exact same controller with volume buttons and mic positions. Also the LED indicators and power button are similar to that of the Bullet Wireless 2. The only difference in design is slight polish on the earbuds, which is missing on the Wireless Z as compared to the Wireless Bullets 2. Apart from that, everything is similar as far as the design is concerned to the previous generation. And now talking about the connectivity and functions, so this is pretty much also similar to the earlier one. Now the new OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z earphones comes with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which you can connect up to 2 different devices, and also you can switch between them on the go by pressing the power button twice. And this thing actually comes in handy in day-to-day usage. Here the magnetic ear tips allows you to quickly play and pause music, and it also connects and disconnects with your phone quite swiftly. This functionality further improves quite a lot when you connect these earphones with any OnePlus device, such as your OnePlus smartphone or the OnePlus TV. Here there is no significant latency during video calls, watching videos, and also during music playback. But when it comes to gaming, it has that slight usual Bluetooth lag, which you will experience here as well, especially while playing any shooting game such as PUBG. Now talking about the most important part of these earphones, that is the overall sound experience. And well, considering the price of these earphones, the audio experience is really good. Well, this one lacks aptX HD certification as compared to the previous generation, but that has not affected the overall sound output, since this one supports HD audio AAC codec and there is no major noticeable difference in the sound quality as compared to the previous ones. The bass, mids and trebles are very well balanced, and instrument separation is also very good. When it comes to bass, you might need to tweak up the equalizer a little bit to get that heavy bass. So if you are a bass head, then you will definitely need to tweak around the equalizer. Now as far as the charging and the battery backup is concerned, well, this thing is superb in this one. In my testing, I got around 13 to 14 hours of usage in one charge, which is really good. And the best part is just 10 minutes of quick charge allows you to get 10 hours of music playback, which is fantastic in these earphones. So on summing up this whole review now, the kind of overall build and sound quality you get in this one is quite better than many earphones out there at quite similar price. So it's definitely a very good choice when it comes to wireless neckband earphones. Alright guys, this is pretty much it with the quick review of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z earphones. If you have any query related to these earphones, then you may ask in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like this video, and also consider subscribing to see more such videos like this. Until then, bye bye, take care, and I'll see you super soon in the next one.